Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you? Hope you all are good and safe as well as at your homes, right? So once again, I am EVS teacher in front of you to make you learn something interesting in chapter number 6, My Neighborhood. Dear students, we already started this chapter number 6, My Neighborhood, but as usual, recapitulation is the part of my habit. So once again, whatever we learned in the previous two lecture about this chapter, we will take a quick recap, right? So yes, dear students, chapter number 6, My Neighborhood, we already started in my last lecture. I made you learn what is the difference between a neighbor and a neighborhood. Understand? I already told you, I already explained you the difference between a neighbor and a neighborhood. But once again, I will recap all these things, so you will not forget. Dear students, when you will hear the things again and again, then only you will learn over there. There and there you will learn. You will not forget. See, when you will watch the television, so advertisements are coming in regular breaks. Am I right now? Advertisements are coming in the regular basis between the breaks. So you are seeing the advertisement again and again, you are hearing the songs of that advertisement again and again, so you can learn without any extra work, without any extra effort, because you are watching again and again, you are hearing again and again. So that's why I am taking the recapitulation, right? So neighbor and neighborhood, both are very different, both are not similar, both are not equal, both are different, right? Neighbor means we can call in Hindi padosi. Neighbor means padosi, people, those who are living in their houses but they are living in near to us, they are living in the same colony, they are living in the same mohalla, they are living in the same gullies, same street, same colony, they all are our neighbors. They all are our neighbors. Right? Understand? Once again tell me, who are the neighbor? What is the definition of a neighbor? Whom we are calling the neighbor? Yes, neighbor means some families, those who are living surrounding our area, surrounding our colony, surrounding our gullies, our mohallas, those families are our neighbors. Those are our neighbors, right? And neighborhood means the place where we are living, that is our neighborhood. That particular place is our neighborhood, right? And neighbors, yes, be a good neighbor means always have the good foundation, always have the good relation with the neighbors. It's very necessary to all of us, not only for you as well as for me also. It is very important to all of us that we should have good bonding, we should have good relation with our neighbors, so we can live our life happily. We can survive in that surrounding area happily, right? Because neighbors, we are sharing so many things from our neighbors. Neighbor means a kind of relatives. We all of us sharing so many things with our neighbors. Suppose you have you have any emergency at your homes. Sometimes it happens in our day-to-day life that Mama and Papa both should go out from any urgent work, from any emergency. So what will they do? They can't leave you alone at the homes, na? They can't you leave alone at home. So what they do? Usually that time parents completely depends on the neighbors, or we can say that time parents wants the favor from their neighbors side. They will go to your neighbors and they said, please today keep my child at your home, because we both the Mama and Papa have some urgent work, have some emergency, so we should go out and we can't take my child with me. So that's why my request to you, please, for 1 hour or more than 1 hour, keep my child at your home, because I am feeling that my child is safe at your homes. So please give me a favor for 1 hour. I am leaving my child at your home, because I realize that you can protect my son or my daughter well, right? So it's happened so many times when we have any emergency work, when the elders of our family have some urgent work, some emergency work, so they should go out. There is no any other option. That time the neighbors always stand for help. Am I clear to you? Are you agree with me? Take your time and think. You will find that whatever I spoke correct. I spoke correct. Okay, and now these was the talking about the emergency or some urgent work. Now we will talk about the festival. When any festival will come, then when you have some party at your home, your birthday celebration is there, or any marriage at your family, then you will invite your neighbors, na? है ना? You will invite your neighbors. You will give them invitations. You will celebrate those parties and marriage parties and birthday parties and festivals with them. So I want to tell you, I want to explain you that be a good neighbor and always have good relation with your neighbors. It is good for you and it is good for your neighbors also. See, always we can't clap with one hand. एक हाथ से ताली बजती है क्या? You heard this मुहावरा, ताली दोनों हाथों से बजती है. Okay, so if you are a good human being, then definitely you will have good relation, good strong bonding with your neighbors. They also available for you also, है ना? So be a good human being, then all the things will easy for you, right? So this was the neighbors, and now we will talk about the neighborhood. In this category I already made you learn two things. That first one is the natural resources or natural features we can say, and second one is man-made features or artificial features, right? So natural features means place where we all are living. It should be close to the nature. It should be close to the nature. It should be means it there should be tree, there should be river, there should be more plants, more greenery, है ना? So these kinds of environment help us to keep healthy. That's why natural feature is always needed, is always required in our neighborhood. Okay, understand? Hope you understand well. Now, some more artificial or man-made resources we create to make our life more convenient, to make our life more easy. So, in this category, today we are going to learn about the post office, hospital and bank. On page number 35, I am showing you in front of the camera, page number 35, post office, hospital and bank. Whatever is written in your book, first I will read for you, then I will explain. Okay, so let's start today's study. Whatever I spoke all about my previous lecture. Now, what are things which we are going to learn today? I will speak all about these things. So first we will discuss about post office. First I will discuss about post office. Right. So, dear students, have you ever been the post office? Have you ever visited on the post office? I don't think so you have visited to post office, because when I was child, when I was small, I was baby, that time it was on fashion to write the letters to your relatives, to write the letters to your parents, है ना? So for writing we are not using the paper. Then what we are using? We are using these kinds of postcard. It is given in your book. See, this yellow wala, that is the postcard. What is that? That is the postcard. Right? So when I was small, na beta, that time I used to write the letters to my grandmother, my dadi, my nani. I used to write on this postcard. But nowadays, so we are not using all these things. We are not using postcard. What we are using nowadays? How we are communicating with our relatives nowadays? Huh? Nowadays, so we can make them video call. We are not using these cards. Nowadays, so we all are giving the video calls to each other. We all are giving the video calls to our relatives, to our dadi, nani, bua, chachu and all. And we can see and we can talk them where they are. Right? So this time our life is more easy and more convenient. Our life became so easy and so convenient because of this technology. Because of this technology. If technology is not there, then I can't teach you from school and you cannot learn at your homes. With the help of this technology, we have the bonding, we have a relationship. So I can teach you in the school, but you can watch me by the videos at your homes. Right? So what we are using? We are using technology for communication. But when I was small, when your parent was small, that time we used to write these postcards. Okay, so first whatever is written in your book I will read for you, then I will explain to you. Right? So get ready with your book and your pencil, and whatever words I will tell you, make it underline there and there. Make it underline there and there. So are you ready, guys? Yes, you all are good students. You always ready for learning. Yes, now let's see what is written in your book. We go to the post office to buy stamp, envelopes, postcard and post letters. First line, what is written in the first line? We go to post office. Where we go to post office? We go to post office to buy what? To buy stamp, envelopes, postcard and post letter. So you have to underline these things. Stamp, S-T-A-M-P-S, stamp. Underline this word. Envelope, E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E-S, envelopes. Underline this word. Number 2. Number 3, P-O-S-T-C-A-R-D-S, postcard. Number 3, make it underline. And number 4, post letter, P-O-S-T-L-E-T-T-E-R-S, post letters. So underline these 4 words because these 4 words are new for you. This will give you the new learning. These words are new for you. You are hearing first time in this chapter. That's why it is new words. So make it underline. Stamp, envelope, postcard and post letters. Right? So I am reading. I am going to move on. After writing letters, we drop them in a letter post. See, suppose I want to write a letter to my grandma. Then, suppose I am living in another city and my grandma is also living in another city. So how we can communicate nowadays? So beta, so many things we have to communicate with our parents, with our grandparents. But in early time, or we can say before 10 or 20 years, before 20 years, we all used to write the postcards. So that time we write the postcard. I will draw the postcard. This is the postcard. है ना? And postcard have the 2 sides. First side, this wala part, this plain part, and back side of this, and back side of this wala part. And this wala part has divided into 2 parts. This side, so we can write from starting to end, and when we will turn the card, we can use here, we can write over here, and postcard, and here we will write the address of that particular person whom we want to send the letter. Here we will write the address. That side, see that side, so we will write the letter. है ना? See, I will give you an example. Dear grandma. We will start, whenever we will start writing with all these things. है ना? We will address that particular man or woman whom we are writing. Dear grandma, how are you? I am well over here, and I pray to God that you also be good over there. Okay, so we started writing like this, है ना? This I will speak in Hindi. I will explain. I will use little Hindi while explaining this. बेटा जब हम पोस्ट कार्ड लिखते हैं ना, तो पोस्ट कार्ड पे सबसे पहले हम जिसको भी लिख रहे हैं उसको हम अपना हेलो, हाय, प्रणाम, नमस्ते वो लिखते हैं, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर लिखा है कि प्यारी दादी आप कैसी हो, मैं तो यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा हूँ और बहुत अच्छी हूँ, और मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ या मैं प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि आप भी अच्छे होंगे। और फिर whatever you want to write, you can write, you can tell, you can discuss with your grandmother about your studies कि my studies are going on well, है ना। Nowadays I am studying hard because we are not going to school, I am not going to school, so whatever my ma'am is telling me, I am focusing on that, I am doing study well, है ना। So please take care of yourself, grandma, I love you. All these things we can write in the letter, all these things we can write in the letter, है ना। And then this वाला part beta, here we have to write the address. Address means we can call पता, जहाँ पर आप रहते हो, address of that particular area. So you have to write, suppose I will give my example. Okay, so I will write my name over here, Aarti Tiwari, Bridge Vihar, Colony, Bistan Road, Khargone, ठीक है। First I wrote this letter to my grandmother. आप किसी को भी लिख सकते हो, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू राइट लेटर ओनली ग्रैंडमा, यू कैन राइट टू योर अंकल, आंटी, फ्रेंड, मैम, किसी को भी यू कैन राइट, ठीक है। देन हियर दिस वाला पार्ट में यू विल राइट द एड्रेस वेयर यू वांट टू सेंड दैट लेटर, दैट एड्रेस यू शुड राइट ओवर देयर, राइट। एंड देन यू विल गो टू द letter box, go to the letter box, this kind of letter box, this kinds of letter box you can find in your town, in your city. Okay, these kinds of letter box you can find in your town, in your city. And in Hindi there is written patra peti, or Hindi we can say letter box, right? So there is a small window, there is a very small window in that letter box, in that letter box. Okay, you wrote this letter and then you wrote the address of that particular person where you want to deliver your letter, where you want to send your letter, right? And then this letter you have to go to letter box. This is the letter box and color of the letter box is red. Color of the letter box is red. And this postcard color is yellow, right? So when you wrote the letter, you come to letter box and you use this small window, use the small window, and that window you will get your letter inside the window. आप उस विंडो को में हाथ जैसे ही डालेंगे, when you will enter your hand in that window, your letter will go down, your letter will go down. Up, this question should click in your mind that is ma'am, मैंने तो लेटर बॉक्स को मेरे ही टाउन के लेटर बॉक्स में डाला था, तो फिर ये मेरी दादी के घर या मेरी नानी के घर, या फिर ये मान लो मेरी दादी बॉम्बे में रहती है, दिल्ली में रहती है, बेंगलोर रहती है, इंदौर रहती है, तो ये वहाँ पर कैसे पहुँचेगा दिस लेटर? तो आई ड्रॉप्ड इन माई टाउन्स लेटर बॉक्स, माई सिटीज लेटर बॉक्स, then how is it possible this letter will go on that address? How it will reach over there in that particular city, that particular town? This question should come in your mind, beta. So, answer of this question is that postman. See, you drop the letter inside the box, right? Okay. Then postman open the letter box. Postman have the key. इसमें ताला लगा रहता है बेटा. This letter box has locked and postman will come. He will open that lock and he will collect all the letters. He will collect all the letters and he will keep in his pocket or in his bag. Understand? What postman do? After getting your card inside the letter box, what the duty of a postman? Postman will come. Postman will open the lock of this letter box and take out all those letters, whatever letters are inside the letter box. He will take out all the letters and keep in the bag. Then he will go to the post office. Where he will go? He will go to the post office, right? And what is the procedure of the post office? अब post office में जाने के बाद, post office तो is in your town only, is in your city only. So how it will reach to Bombay? How it will reach to Delhi? How it will reach to Indore? So answer is very easy. When postman will get all the letters to the post office, here they use the stamp. They use the stamp and they will use the stamp over there. वो यहाँ पर एक seal लगाते हैं, एक ठप्पा लगाते हैं. That seal belongs to your city. आपके शहर की seal लगती है, आपके शहर का ठप्पा लगता है. And then they will sort out the letters. They will sorted out the letters. वो क्या करते हैं? Suppose they have 15 letters of Indore. So they will make that bunch separate. वो 15 letters का एक separate bunch बनाएंगे. Suppose they have 20 letters to Bhopal. तो they will make the separate bunch of Bhopal. Right? Suppose they have 50 letters to Bangalore. They have 20 letters to Delhi, Bombay. So what they will do? All the postmen first they will put the stamp of their city. अपने शहर का stamp put करेंगे. Then they will sort it out the letters. They will sort it out all these letters. Indore, Delhi, Bombay, Gwalior, Jhansi, Pune. And then they will make the bunch. And then they will make the bunch and then they will keep all these letters in that particular van, bus, train or aeroplane. वो खुद तो नहीं जाएगा बेटा इतनी दूर. तो वो क्या करते हैं, उन्होंने जितने भी लेटर्स के बंच बना लिए हैं ना, उन बंच को उस शहर की बसों में या फिर ट्रेन में या फिर एरोप्लेन में, जो भी फैसिलिटी होती है उसमें वो रख देते हैं और फिर वहाँ के पोस्ट ऑफिस में ये सारे लेटर्स फिर वहाँ के पोस्ट ऑफिस में ये सारे लेटर्स जाते हैं. Understand these all process? Understand? Otherwise I will repeat once again. Today we will learn this much only because this post office is new for you. Hospital to you have visited so many times. Bank to you visited so many times. ATM to you have seen so many times. Every time you are going with your papa and taking out the money from the ATM. So hospital and bank, it is not matter for you. You have seen in your daily life, in your day-to-day life. Police station also you have seen. Market to you also have seen. Shopping malls, market, super bazaar, big bazaar, all the kinds of market you have seen so many times. But I don't think so you have visited to a post office, because nowadays writing a letter, it is not in a fashion, it is not in a trend. We all are not using post letters to write the letter, है ना? So that's why I will discuss only this post office. Once again, whatever I spoke, I will revise. ठीक है? Post office means a place where we can get the letter, where we can get the parcel, where we can get the envelope, where we can get the stamps. Understand? इतना समझ आया होगा, hope आया होगा. ठीक है. Now, if you want to write a letter to your relatives, to your grandma, nani, dadu, chachi, chachu, mama, mami, whom do you want to write? You can write. Right? Okay. So, this is a postcard, and the color of the postcard is yellow, and you can use both the sides for writing. You can use that postcard both the sides. Right? So I told you the process. If we want to write the letter to grandma, dear grandma, how are you grandma? I am very fine over here. What about you? Hope you also fine at home. And now you can describe your daily routine, and you can describe whatever is going on in your life. You can talk with your grandmother, with your about your studies, कि my grandma, my studies are going well nowadays, so I am learning from home, blah blah blah. Okay, then what you will do? You will write the address. Back side of the post letter, you should write the address. Address means where you want to send that letter. So without address, your letter cannot post. You can't send your letter without address. So address is must. Address is required when you will write the postcard. So back side of the postcard, you will write the address. Suppose you want to send to me. So what you will write? Dear ma'am, how are you? I am fine. What about you? Ma'am, my study is going on well. You are teaching me so nicely, and I am learning so nicely. Be a good student. I learnt whatever you want to make me learn. Right? Then you will write my address. Why? Because you want to send this letter to me. So you write this letter. So you have to write over here my address. Aarti Tiwari. And what is my address? I am living in Braj Vihar Colony, Bistan Road, Khargone. So you have to write the full address. Then you will draw, then this is the letter box, and the color of letter box is red, and this letter box is situated in your city only, in your town only. Right? Then this letter box, in this letter box there is a small window. You can drop this letter in that window. Right? Then postman of that particular city, particular area, he will come and he will open the lock of that letter box and take out all these letters, and take all these letters to post office. And the post office, they will put the stamp over here. They will put their town stamp and date. उसमें सील के अंदर बेटा स्टैम्प में डेट भी होती है और शहर का नाम भी होता है जहाँ पर लेटर है. ठीक है, डाला है आपने. Then they will sort it out the letters. हाँ, ये तो दिल्ली के लेटर है, ये बॉम्बे के, ये भोपाल के, इंदौर के, ग्वालियर, झांसी, इधर उधर सब दूर के लेटर्स. They will sort it out all these letters. They will make the bunch of these letters, and then वो खुद तो नहीं जाएंगे लेटर देने. Then they will keep the letters on that particular bus. मान लो मुझे इंदौर लेटर भेजना है, ठीक है, तो मैं वो जितने भी लेटर्स में जो मैंने शॉर्टेड आउट करे हैं वो सारे के सारे मैं इंदौर की बस में रख दूंगी. जो लेटर मुझे भोपाल भेजने में भोपाल की बस में या भोपाल की ट्रेन में रख दूंगी. जो लेटर मुझे बेंगलोर भेजने हैं तो मैं बेंगलोर में एरोप्लेन से भी भेज सकती हूँ. तो दिस प्रोसेस गो ऑन लाइक दैट. और फिर क्या होता है बेटा, वहाँ पर जो पोस्ट ऑफिस होता है वेयर यू सेंड योर लेटर, वो वहाँ पर चले जाते हैं, सारे लेटर्स वहाँ जाते हैं. देन दे विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग्स द पोस्टमैन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया. ठीक है, और वहाँ पर जाने के बाद जो भी लेटर होते हैं वो पर्टिकुलर एरिया के पोस्टमैन को दिए जाते हैं. एंड देन पोस्टमैन ब्रिंग्स दीज लेटर्स टू अस. सपोज कि ब्रज विहार एरिया के जो पोस्टमैन है उनके पास ब्रज विहार और बिस्टान रोड के सारे लेटर्स होंगे. बिस्टान रोड वाले एरिया में जितनी भी कॉलोनी आती हैं, चाहे वो 2 हो, 3 हो या 4 कॉलोनियाँ हो, वो सारे के सारे किसके पास आ जाएंगे, उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया के पोस्टमैन के पास. ठीक है, देन दैट पोस्टमैन will give you that letter. He will come to your house and he will deliver the letter. So this process is very long. This process is very hard working process and it will take time. It will also take time. So this entire process is quite long process. It is not easy, right? So now I explained to you about the post office. I explained to you whatever process of a post office is. I already explained to you. Okay, now whatever is written in your paragraph of post office and how many words you have to make it underline. Now I will read. I already told you that stamp, envelope, postcard and post letter, these 4 words you have to make it underline. Then I am reading. After writing letters we drop them in the letter box. Yes, it is very much correct written over there. I already made you learn that whatever letter I wrote, we should drop in the letter box, है ना. Then postman collect these letters and take them to the post office, and postman will come, he will open the lock and he will collect all the letters and take to the post office. Here these letters are separated out and sent to different places, and there I already explained you that what the postman do. Postman will put the stamp over here of your town. आपके शहर की स्टैंप लगाते हैं और डेट भी रहती है उसमें. They will put this stamp and they sorted out, वो अलग अलग करते हैं letters को and sent to the different places and venues from buses, train and aeroplanes. Okay, so this line sent to the different places by vans, buses, train and aeroplane, make it underline. The postman deliver these letters to different houses. So what is the work of a postman? Postman brings letter to us. Postman deliver different letters in different houses. This is the main job of a postman, right? Understand? What is the process of a post office? How we are writing, how we are reaching, how we are sending, how we are getting the letters, how we can write, what is the matter we are using while writing. Beta, one more example I am giving you. When I was a child, that time no mobile phone, no telephone, so I used to write the letters to my grandmother. So I was writing in the Hindi, so I will tell you what I wrote. ठीक है, that time I used that words to write a letter to my grandmother. That time what I wrote I will explain to you. आदरणीय दादी प्रणाम, आपको मेरा प्यार भरा प्रणाम. मैं यहाँ पर अच्छे से हूँ और मैं भगवान से ये प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि आप भी वहाँ पर कुशल पूर्वक होंगे. आगे मैं आपसे बताती हूँ दादी कि मेरी पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी चल रही है और दिवाली आने वाली है, तो हम हर साल की तरह दादी इस साल भी मैं दिवाली पर इंदौर आऊँगी और दिवाली का त्यौहार आपके साथ ही मनाऊँगी और मेरी बाकी की दिवाली की छुट्टियाँ भी आपके पास ही रहूँगी. दादी, मैं इस बात को लेकर बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं दिवाली पर आपके पास आऊँगी और अपनी सारी छुट्टियाँ आपके साथ बिताऊँगी। बाकी बातें मैं आपसे मिलने पर शेयर करूँगी। आपकी प्यारी पोती। और फिर अपना नाम लिख देती थी और फिर मेरी दादी के घर का एड्रेस लिख देती थी और फिर मैं इस लेटर बॉक्स के पास जाती थी और इस विंडो से लेटर बॉक्स को डाल देती थी और वो लेटर 2 या 3 दिन या 4 दिनों में मेरी दादी तक पहुंच जाता था। फिर वहाँ से मेरी दादी मेरे लिखे लेटर का जवाब देती थी, तो वो लेटर का जवाब भी मुझे 3 से 4 दिनों में मिल जाता था। तो पहले जब फ़ोन नहीं होते थे तो वी ऑल आर यूजिंग पोस्ट कार्ड्स, right? Understand? Hope you understand. So today we will learn this much only. Today we will learn this much only. But as usual I am giving you a little work. You have to make the photograph of postcard and letter box. You have to make the you will use the yellow paper only, yellow sheet only. No white sheet, no pink sheet, no any other sheet. यूज़ अच्छा चलो ठीक है, शीट यूज़ मत करना, शीट यूज़ मत करना, आप अपनी कॉपी में ही कर लेना। सो हाउ यू विल डू इन योर कॉपी, इन योर नोटबुक? फर्स्ट you will write the letter. You will write the letter. You can write Hindi or English, both the language you can write, no problem. जिस भी लैंग्वेज में आपको सरल लगता है आप उस लैंग्वेज में लेटर लिख सकते हो. If you want to write in English, you can write in the English, or if you want to write in Hindi, you can write in Hindi, right? So आप अपनी कॉपी में एक पोस्ट कार्ड बनाना. Draw a postcard in your copy. ठीक है. अब मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनना. आपको क्या करना है, फर्स्ट आपको यहाँ पर लेटर लिखना है. सपोज आपने ये लेटर लिख दिया, ठीक है, ये तो फ्रंट साइड है, आपको बैक साइड भी लिखना है, ठीक है, और फिर यहाँ पर आपको एड्रेस भी लिखना है. इस साइड, दिस साइड यू हैव टू राइट द एड्रेस, राइट? एंड देन फिर उसको आप लिखने के बाद उसके ऊपर आप कलर वैक्स क्रियॉन्स, जो येलो कलर का वैक्स क्रियॉन्स होता है, उससे उसको कलर कर देना. और आप चाहो तो मुझे भी लेटर लिख सकते हो, डियर मैम करके, ठीक है. आप लेटर लिखने के बाद उसको येलो कलर से कलर करना, लेटर लिखने के पहले नहीं. अगर आप पहले उसको क्रियॉन से येलो कर दोगे तो फिर आपकी पेंसिल उस पेज पर नहीं चलेगी. That's why I am telling you, after writing the letter, you will fill yellow color. So you will get the yellow postcard. Okay? Then you will draw the picture of the letter box. Letter box का भी picture आपको draw करना है. These two pictures you have to draw. Okay? You will do this? Yes. I am hoping that you will do this because you all are a good students of class 2. So this is enough learning from my side to you. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day, and in my next lecture we will learn about the hospital and the bank. But do not forget to do your homework. This is your homework. You have to draw letter and letter box, and you should write and fill the yellow color on your letter postcard, and you should make this also, right? So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you, love you, bachcha party, bye.